Okay.
So now we are going to push our basic site. Like just open the Visual Studio Code and
Yeah.
create a folder. Yeah. So, file. Yeah, file. Open folder.
Okay.
Uh, the fourth option.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So here you can go to any location which you want and create a folder where you want to save all your project files,
Okay.
like whatever we're creating now. Yeah, select it. Yeah, you are seeing that plus icon, right? The first one. Yeah.
Yeah. For here,
Yes.
this is
Yes.
one. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Index.html. What you can do is you can go to the extensions. Are you able to see like on the left hand side, right? On the left
Mm-hmm.
hand side, just hover over those. You should see something like extension. Yeah, that
Extensions,
one.
yeah, it
Click.
is there.
Yeah, click that one. Yeah, type here HTML boilerplate.
Okay. Yeah. Install.
Yeah, install that extension. Okay, go back to the file, the first icon. Yeah. So now remove that HTML. Remove that whatever you typed and
Yeah.
just type HTML. Okay. So now, uh,
It is giving some. It was giving some hints here.
yeah, it should show
Yeah.
the boilerplate is got. Okay. Okay. Good. Yeah, so this boilerplate every time you should type, right? So if you can use that shortcut to put all the content. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, in the body section now you can give one heading and
Okay.
yeah, give some paragraph.
Okay.
You need to get it outside H1.
Uh, outside it. Yeah. Dummy text.
Yeah, put some dummy text there. Lorem ipsum or something. It's not mandatory, but just to give
Yeah.
some feel.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you have a H1 unnecessary tag below paragraph. You can remove that one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You can save this. Okay. Now, on the top menu, you are seeing terminal, right? Click on the terminal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Terminal. Click on that
New
and
term.
new terminal. Yeah. Yeah. Um, so here, one by one, whatever you have saved, right? Those commands, you execute them.
Okay.
So this npm install will install the Firebase. Okay. I think click on Control C once.
Okay.
Yeah, just close that. Yeah, you have
Uh,
some junk character, I think. Just copy paste rightly. Yeah, you can close this. Yeah, yeah, copy paste only till that line end.
okay.
You have copied. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No,
That
no.
long. It's not.
Right. Okay, just close this because you have opened this Visual Studio Code before installing Node, right? So just close this and reopen it again.
Okay.
Yeah, paste it. Enter. Okay, so minus G means global. Okay, now it's installing globally. So you can access the Firebase command across the projects. Okay, if you don't put that minus G, it will be installed in your project folder.
Okay.
Okay, you can execute the next command after this.
Okay.
So with this, Firebase should be installed. Firebase CLI. Yeah. Okay. What is this?
Cannot be loaded.
Okay. Yeah. It will not be executed from here. Open the command line.
Okay.
Open the command line and go to your project folder.
Okay.
Yeah, execute it here. So you should log in with your Gmail ID and password.
Okay.
Okay,
Cannot
just
log.
open the command prompt, the Windows prompt instead of
Okay.
keypad.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. You need not. Oh, okay. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, so now you are signing in with your actual Google account. Yeah, you can sign it in. Hello. Yeah, now you are signed in. Go back to the prompt.
Okay.
You should see this says there too. Yeah, success. So you are logged in as it gave, right? So type the next command. Yeah.
Yeah, it is showing as logged in.
Sorry.
Yeah, it is showing as logged in.
Yeah, copy this Firebase in it and initialize the Firebase. Yeah, proceed. Yeah, so use the up and down arrow mark and highlight on hosting.
Okay.
Yeah, click space bar to select that. Yeah, and enter. So it means that we are only using the hosting service. We are not using any other service. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, use the existing project. Yeah, type enter because we have already created the project, right?
Yes.
Yeah, type enter. That is the project you want to use, right? So just type enter.
What do you want to use as your public repository?
Yeah. So what does that mean is so you are doing the development in one folder, right? Which is where you created the index.html. But do you want to do the deployment also from the same folder? That is the question. Okay, so you can, if you type public, right, what happens is it will create a new folder called public, and whatever files you want to deploy, you can copy paste into that public environment. And once you execute the deploy command, it will look into that public folder, and whatever files are available on that public folder will be deployed to the server. Okay, so if you do not give that, then whatever is there in the current directory will get deployed. Better to use that public. Okay, just click on enter.
Okay.
It's not a single page app, right? Ours is a static HTML page, so
Yeah.
no. No, for now we'll not use GitHub. We'll install it later. Okay, initialization is complete. Now if you go back to the Visual Studio Code, right? you are seeing some new files there. So if
Yeah.
you open the firebase.json,
Okay.
so this is the configuration which you have given. Okay, so you're in the public folder, and you are saying ignore firebase.json, and all those files are getting ignored. Okay, a new folder, the public folder also got created. If you open that folder, yeah, so
Yeah.
that folder also got created. Okay,
Okay.
so now execute the next command.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so did you execute the next command?
Yeah. It is showing as
No,
deployment.
no. Oh, it's already deployed, is it? Okay, I did not see that. Sorry. Okay, so you can now go before deploying, right? You can also test it in your local using Firebase. Okay,
Okay.
if you type Firebase serve, right, it will just go back to the terminal. Yeah, this is terminal, right? Yeah, here type Firebase serve.
Firebase.
Serve, SERV, serve, SERV. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes. So now you can open that URL and you will be able to see your site.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so
It is.
this is the site. This is the site you are seeing. So this is not what we have deployed, right?
Yeah.
So what we have created basically. So why this happens is go back to your Visual Studio Code now. Yeah, so what it does is whatever is there in this index.html in public folder, it will deploy that one.
Okay.
Okay, so what you need to do is whatever you have created the index.html outside that public folder, right? Copy it onto that index.html which is created in the public folder. So
Okay.
this is what I have told, right? Whatever is there in the public folder that gets deployed.
Okay. So
Okay,
that means I need to
so you
copy
can
this file.
copy the index.html. Yes, yeah, just index.html. Just whatever
Okay.
content is there in the index.html, copy onto that public folder's index.html.
Okay. So our file is also named with the index.html. That's why it got conflict. I can rename it.
No, no, no. No, it's not because of that.
Okay.
Okay, now go back to the Visual Studio Code once.
Okay.
Yeah, in this firebase.json, here in the hosting, you have given the public folder, right? So what
Yeah.
that mean is, whatever files are there only in public folder, only those get deployed, or only those will get to be used actually in your local server. Okay, so in that public folder, whatever index.html which you created outside that public folder, that is not there, right? Something else is there.
Yeah.
Okay, so just copy the content of this index.html onto that public folder's index.html.
Okay.
Yeah, just copy. Yeah, remove all this and paste it. Yeah,
Okay.
say, yeah, now you refresh the page of your local server.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now you do Firebase deploy. It will deploy it onto your server.
Okay.
So first you need to test locally and then deploy it.
Okay. How can we check on the Firebase now?
First run the Firebase deploy again because you changed the public folder's index.html, right? So once
Yeah. Yeah.
again you need to deploy the latest code.
Okay.
Yeah, execute Firebase deploy again. Yeah, just do Control C to come out of it. Yeah, terminate. Yes. Yeah, Firebase deploy.
Okay. It got
That
deployed.
is the hosting URL which it gave, right? That's your
Yeah.
URL below
Okay.
hosting URL. Yeah. Okay, so your first page is on internet now.
Yeah, nice.